All right, we now move on to speaking part two. Describe a toy you liked in your childhood. So you liked is past tense. So you will talk about past. Yes, please.
Well, I had received many toys in my childhood, but I did not enjoy most of them. Hence, I passed them over to my younger brother. However, my all time favorite toy was a potter wheel that was gifted by my mom's friend on my ninth birthday party. A potter wheel consists of a horizontal resolving disc on which wet clay is used to make round objects, for example, pots, etc. I was fascinated by the machine that I regularly finished the clay pack in a matter of days. I used to create multiple objects from the wet clay, for example, cups, plant pots, and decoration vessels. To add more beautification, I painted them with vibrant colors. The final product was appreciated by my friends, my parents, and the people in the community. It unfortunately malfunctioned after a couple of years and it couldn't be repaired as well. It helped me to enhance my art skills and creativity skills as well. Since then, it brings back wistful memories of my childhood, and I always recall that toy was the best toy of my life.
All right, so try to cut short the notes you've taken. Just write as many notes as you can take in 1 minute time, okay? Don't write so much. Overall, you spoke well, 1 minute, 7 seconds, but your answer was really good. You designed it on your own?
Yes.
Good job, very good. Let's go on. Speaking part three. What is the difference between the toys for girls and toys for boys?
Well, in my opinion, the difference between toys for the opposite sex is that girls usually like toys that are more sort of naturally colored, for example, pink, purple, and red color. Moreover, the toys which they like are basically Barbie dolls, cooking sets, which they impersonify when they grow up. So they usually tend to cook when they grow up. So they learn a lot from that toys as well.
All right.
On the other hand, boys,
Do you think toys really help in children's development?
yes, definitely. Toys definitely help in children development. The main reason is that toys provide you with skills that are needed for the future. For example, you learn motory skills, it develops your cognitive abilities as well. And altogether, toys definitely help develop skills.
All right, good. You know the motory skills, what are they?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
So, जो आप हाथ से करते हो.
English.
The skills that you possess by your hand.
This is very, very good. Mashallah, you really spoke well. So just keep it up like this. Inshallah, you'll get very good bench score. Thank you.